Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a footer in GeneratePress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance and select Customize. Within the Customizer, you will find the Layout section, which contains the footer options. Here, you can begin to explore the default footer structure and adjust basic settings to suit your website's needs. This initial step sets the foundation for your custom footer design. GeneratePress offers up to 5 flexible footer widget areas, allowing you to add diverse content. You can easily insert elements such as text, images, or even custom navigation menus into these areas. To manage them, go to Appearance, then Widgets, and drag your desired blocks into the available footer widget sections. You can also adjust their layout and spacing within the Customizer for a polished look. For more advanced footer designs, GeneratePress Premium's Elements module is incredibly powerful. Activate the Elements module under Appearance, then GeneratePress. Create a new element, select Block as the type, and choose Site Footer for its location. This allows you to build complex layouts using Generate blocks, offering full control over typography, colors, and spacing, replacing the default footer entirely. Finally, let's refine the footer bar, which typically houses your copyright information. With GeneratePress Premium, you can easily customize the copyright text directly in the Customizer under Layout, then Footer. You can also adjust the footer bar's background and text colors to match your brand. Additionally, control the padding and overall visibility of this bottommost section for a clean, professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.